Making you shout out.
Okay, so hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it's Valentine's Day, and I know it's been like a long time since I filmed anything or whatever.
Bro, shaking the table. This guy's shaking the table.
I know that it's been a while since I've filmed or anything like that, but that's just because I don't know, like I don't know what to say, but life was just really hectic. But anyways, as you guys saw by the title, today is like a follow me to campus day on Valentine's, whatever. And yeah, basically you'll be walking around with me. So then, wait, okay, wait a minute. It's been a while, guys. I forgot. Oh, and if you are new to my channel, you are most definitely welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know what time it is. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned if you guys want to see what's going on on campus today. No, babe.
Wait, can I swear? Yeah, I think swearing is allowed, isn't it? Yeah. Profanity, is it allowed?
What?
Swearing.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, sorry. I don't want to be...
This is my channel, this is my life, so if people around me swear, you're gonna get swearing.
No, I don't swear a lot, I just, you know.
I swear, so.
Yeah, bro. It feels like the guy that swears.
You see guys as well.
Yeah, so...
Do this for the camera.
This
No,
right here
it's Valentine's Day.
is Akon,
So,
aka AK. His real name is Akona. What's up, bruh?
I'm good, bro.
Chilling, bruh. Ooh, next. Aboshia. Look at his swag for Valentine's Day. Ooh. Valentine's Day drip, bruh. The drip, are you good, my dude? You.
I'm so far.
What's bruh? Jeez, guys. Drip. Valentine's Day drip. Look at her, bruh.
I'm looking all kinds of cute. And
So red lips. If you.
Guys, I'm so scared of walking around because, like, everyone's looking at the red lip. It's hectic.
It's not that bad.
Really?
It's really nice.
Nah,
It really is
I don't
nice.
think they're looking at the red lip.
They're looking
And-
at what? Listen to it.
Like even the highlights,
What
bruh.
are they looking at? What are they
Like,
looking at?
what are they looking at? They're looking at your face, innit? Look at the highlights. You see the highlights there
Do
on
you
the
see the
lips?
highlights?
Yeah, the
Are they
lips.
popping?
Yeah, on your cupid's bow, bro, on your nose
Aye.
there, on your cheekbones.
Lips and
Oh, Lebza. You good? You good, Lebza?
Hi, Chama.
You're on camera. Say hi. Ooh, this is Lebza. Lebza baby. How you doing, Lebza baby? Lebza baby. That's James right there. James. Yes.
Baby.
Keep the walk, Jim.
The walk.
Keep the walk, Jim.
Hey, ilang.
Yeah, give me an apartment. Give me an apartment.
You on Planet who?
Yeah? It's Planet James.
Hey.
Planet James.
I do come
How you doing? I asked you yesterday who's your best friend out of the three of us. You didn't answer. It was me, ne? You! Look at you, you out your sun kissed and everything, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Does it look nice?
Yeah.
Am I glowing?
Yeah, you're glowing. Okay, it's a feature now. You're featuring already, bro. You're a feature in it.
She said yes, bro.
Woo! She said yes to what she's my Valentine. What you talking about, bro? Hey, Lang, how's your Valentine's Day going there, bro?
Babe, I got a rose.
We also got, I
For your life.
got 2 roses. Can you see it? Ooh!
You got that?
Yeah, you see, I'm out here.